There are many ways that the values in an array can be outputted. We can output each value in the array by using the toString method. To do so, simply type in toString and an open and close bracket. I'll save the file and we'll preview this in our web browser. And we can see here that each item in the array has been outputted. You'll also notice that each value is separated by a comma. If you want to specify the separator, use the join method. In this case, we'll specify that we want an asterisk as the separator. Keep in mind that the asterisk is contained within an open and closed quotation, and we've also included an individual space before and after the asterisk. So after you've saved your file, refresh your web browser, and you'll see that the separator has now changed.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.